Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous lecture, we had talked about aspect, which is one of the principles of planning for building. In this lecture, we will talk about the remaining principles, so let's get started. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe my channel. So, let's go. First, we will start with prospect. It is the arrangement of windows in the external walls of the building so as to reveal certain desired views and conceal undesired views from inside. This can be done by putting inclined brackets or by providing blind walls. Thus, the views of garden, sensory, hillside, lake can be seen from the window, whereas ugly views can be avoided. The prospect can be achieved by projecting windows as shown in these figures. Second, privacy. Privacy can be a part or all parts of a building from another building or one room from another room. Privacy of the building can be achieved by providing windows at higher level than the adjoining road or ground, as well as by growing plants and trees around the building. Privacy of one room from other can be achieved by proper grouping of rooms or by positioning of doors in the walls. Privacy inside a room can be achieved by providing door on one side of the longer wall, as the person standing in the door can only see the minimum portion of the room. In common toilets, privacy can be achieved by providing screens, curtain walls, in front of the door. Third, roominess. It is the feel of spaciousness obtained in the room when one enters it. This achieved by adjusting the length to breadth ratio between 1.2 to 1.5. If the ratio is more than 2, a tunnel or railway pushy-like feel will be created. Light colors and also different colors on each wall depending on light direction can also improve the roominess. Square room always appears smaller than rectangular rooms of the same area. Fourth, grouping. It can be defined as the arrangement of various rooms to coordinate functions of rooms and movements of users. For example, kitchen and dining room should be adjacent. The sanitary block should be near to bedroom. The stair should have approach from maximum rooms. In case of industries, hospitals, schools, the rooms are to be arranged according to sequence of operations. For example, administrative department should be centrally located and preferably on ground floor. Fifth, circulation. It is the movement inside the building in horizontal or vertical direction. Horizontal circulation can be provided by passages. The passages should be short, wide, and well illuminated. The doors should not open in corridor as it will obstruct the movement. For vertical circulation, centrally located staircase, ramps, lift, escalators are most suitable. In these figures, we can see good circulation and bad circulation. Sixth, elegance. It is the effect produced by the elevation. It depends upon proportion of width and height of the building and choice of material and color scheme. Elegance can be improved by increasing plinth height, providing arcs, planning rooms at different heights, using decorative building stones, a combination of flat and sloping roofs, various design in RCC, landscaping around the building. Elegance can also be achieved by using proper cladding material to the face of the building. The beautification process need not to be costly. 7. Sanitation. It includes provision of light, ventilation, cleanliness, water supply, and sanitary amenities. The minimum window area should not be less than 1/10 of floor area to allow maximum sunlight to enter the room, which destroy the germs. The doors and windows should be positioned in such a way that hot air, full odors are removed from the room and fresh cool air is admitted in the room. This is achieved by providing ventilators near the roof in addition to windows. Cross ventilation should be employed for proper circulation of air. The sanitary unit should be provided with non-absorbent flooring materials with proper slopes, dado on walls, and continuous water supply. 8th, orientation. It means fixing major axes of the building to achieve maximum natural gifts. In India, the long walls should be provided towards north and south. Short walls in east and west direction to reduce the area exposed to sun rays. In hot climate, verandas, chagga, and sun breakers should be provided to protect the building from sun rays. Rooms occupied throughout the day should be placed on north. 9th, economy. It is the last but not the least principle of planning. All efforts are in vain if the cost is not considered. In any case, aspect and circulation should not be disturbed for economy. On the other hand, prospect can be sacrificed for aspect. Simple building plans, along with minimum doors and windows, with simple designs, will reduce the cost. The economy can be achieved by categorically following the techniques of construction management. In any case, functional utility, structural stability of the construction should never be sacrificed. Economy can also be achieved by making maximum use of locally available materials to suit the local environmental conditions, and use of locally available labors. By this we conclude all the principles of planning for building. In the next video, we will start drawing first floor walls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like the video or leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next lecture, inshallah.